Today's the day! Oh, nearly brought my blinds then. Today's the day we're going to be going down to Alex's unit to record what you have just seen. I've not made it yet. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully we can get some nice razzle dazzle, cool, filmy, wilmy thingy. Yeah, on a slightly unfortunate side note, when we do get down there and I start recording with this. Hello, Stephen. I'm gonna have to set my phone up and record with that. I know the quality's bad, I'm sorry. Hopefully we're gonna get an Osmo action in the new year, something like that. Maybe a cheap A6000, who knows. Yeah, just something to keep in mind. Let's go. There he is. Oh, there's no need to message me, mate, I know you're here. Oh shit. Don't forget pants. Hi Alex! Yeah, not too bad. Send it! What were you saying about not driving like a dickhead? I'm not being funny, right? Genuine question. If you were a girl and you could earn that much money for flashing your tits, wouldn't you?
That's alright. Nah,
oh, come on. Of course you would.
More money for car bars, that. Most of the girls in the car seat.
True. That is very true. So you're saying you wouldn't? You're only saying that because Chloe's going to watch this video, aren't you? Here we are, the unit. What's this, Alex?
What?
Care to tell the viewers what this is?
1967 diesel.
Is it?
Yeah. No, I don't look like one.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Beauty.
All done by yours truly.
Good job there, man. Oh, brilliant
See
job.
what I mean? It's like, it's colder in here than it's outside.
Yeah. Well, it's all old brickwork, really, isn't it? And basically, Alex is just gonna polish, and I'm gonna make a cool little cinematic thing, and hopefully it doesn't turn out shit. Care to tell everyone what you've just done?
Definitely did not drop me buffer on the floor.
No.
And twat me bum. I've just got fucking compound all over me now as well.
Oh, it's a good job.
2020, shit year.
Good job you've not done that bit yet. So in all fairness, I think we've got quite a few clips there. Alex is still going away at it. Making a good job of it, to be fair. Very nice, very good. I think that should be enough to do like a mini B-roll sequence. So, again, it's already been at the beginning of this video, so fingers crossed it came out alright. You love doing that, don't you? Loves it. I think we're reaching the end now. We've come to realise the bonnet on Alex's car is just badly painted. Probably should have come up with a better plan of attack for the video, because I've kind of just done this on a whim. Get as many clips as I can do, see if I can put them together alright. And I'm being stared at now. Yes? Hello! So yeah, fingers crossed it comes out alright. Oh, lovely. Lovely.
Decent. Shit paintwork though.
And we are home. It was a long day. It was good fun. It was good fun actually, those two were a good laugh. It's a shame about the paintwork though, it really is. So I'm going to get to editing the beginning bit now. A couple of things I will say for anyone thinking of doing this is make sure you have a plan of attack. Like I say, I did that one specifically on a whim. I've never really done a whole edit for the vlog kind of thing. So have a plan of attack, have a song in mind, get your clips where you'd think would fit in the song, and then go from there. I mean, this was inspired by Peter Lindgren. If I pronounce that right, Swedish guy. I think he's Swedish anyway. Proper good filmmaker, and then the stuff he comes out with is just unbelievable. But yeah, I've seen his work, and he's obviously every single video, plan of attack, everything's planned out as it should be with an edit, to be fair. But if you're gonna do it, just do it right. Don't do what I did. So that's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. As always, happy shooting. Not fellas, and no, because that was really gay. Right. See y'all in the next video. Oh, that's even worse, man. What are you doing?
No, no, no.